Life can be like a runaway train. Toot toot. Thoughts hinge this way and then that. The door flies off, and it seems a disaster. But then there is space to come and go. Be active. Be still. Nothing has to be rejected. All is accepted. And the runaway train slows, and your breathing slows, and the racing slows, and you can finally stop to see you are well. You are well. All is well. We are well. I am well. And the peace that never left is seen, felt, and heard through the word, through the toot-toot, through the soundless sound, to tell you I am around, beyond time. Your thoughts and love reach me, and I wait for you, and all is well. All is well.